Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the extraordinary revelations captured by the Webb Telescope. In a groundbreaking development, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has unveiled a breathtaking panorama of the Milky Way's most prolific star-forming region. This region, known as Sagittarius B2, is a mere stone's throw away from the supermassive black hole at our galaxy's core. Yet it's brimming with stars, star-forming clouds, and intricate magnetic fields. The Webb Telescope's instruments have the unique ability to study the infrared light passing through this region, offering an unprecedented glimpse into the mysteries of star formation. One such image, captured by the mid-infrared instrument, showcases the richness of Sagittarius B2 North, a region renowned for its molecular abundance. But here's where it gets controversial. Some areas of Sagittarius B2 appear dark and empty, leading to the question, what's hiding in these seemingly barren regions? NASA reveals that these areas are, in fact, densely packed with gas and dust, serving as a cosmic cocoon for young stars yet to be born. And this is the part most people miss. The Webb Telescope's observations have left astronomers with a new puzzle. Why is star formation so low at the center of the Milky Way? Researchers hope that the telescope's instruments will provide insights into this cosmic conundrum. Nazar Budiev, a graduate student at the University of Florida and co-principal investigator of the study, emphasizes the ongoing nature of discovery. Humans have been studying the stars for millennia, and yet there's still so much to uncover. For every new revelation, there are new mysteries to explore. And that's what makes this field so exciting. So, what do you think? Are we on the cusp of unraveling the secrets of star formation? Or is there more to this story than meets the eye? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's spark a discussion.